Our world teems with invisible life. Microbes, too small to see, fill every corner of our planet, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. Wastewater, the water that flows from our homes and industries, is no exception. It carries a complex soup of contaminants, including human waste, chemicals, and a vast array of microbes, both harmless and harmful. Wastewater treatment plants act as gatekeepers, working tirelessly to remove these contaminants and make the water safe for discharge back into the environment. While these plants do a remarkable job removing the visible signs of waste, some contaminants are more insidious. They lurk unseen, posing silent threats to human and animal health. By understanding the hidden dangers that lurk within wastewater, we can begin to chart a course towards a cleaner, healthier future for ourselves and the planet.
Modern wastewater treatment plants are marvels of engineering, employing a multi-stage process to remove contaminants and neutralize harmful substances. Yet despite these advancements, some microorganisms, particularly bacteria, possess a remarkable ability to survive even the most rigorous treatment methods. This persistence stems from their incredible adaptability and resilience, honed over millennia of evolution.
Traditional treatment methods focus on removing the bulk of contaminants, targeting visible waste and harmful chemicals. Bacteria, however, can be more elusive. Some possess thick outer walls that shield them from disinfectants, while others can hunker down and enter a dormant state, lying in wait until conditions improve. This ability to weather the storm of treatment makes them a persistent threat in treated wastewater. Understanding why bacteria survive current methods is the first step towards developing more robust solutions to neutralize these unseen threats.
The microbial world of wastewater is a diverse one, teeming with a vast array of bacteria. While many of these bacteria are harmless, some pose significant threats to human and animal health. These unwelcome guests include familiar foes such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Legionella, each carrying the potential to cause debilitating illness. E. coli, a common inhabitant of the human gut, serves as an indicator of fecal contamination in water. While most strains are harmless, some can cause severe diarrhea, vomiting, and abdominal cramps. Salmonella, another notorious foodborne pathogen, can also lurk in wastewater, posing a similar threat of gastrointestinal illness. Legionella, a bacterium that thrives in warm water, presents a different kind of danger, causing Legionnaire's disease, a severe form of pneumonia. Understanding their characteristics and the risks they pose is crucial for developing targeted approaches to mitigate their impact on human and animal health.
The microbial world is in a constant state of flux, with bacteria evolving at an alarming rate. This rapid evolution, driven by the selective pressure of antibiotic exposure, has led to the emergence of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, often referred to as superbugs. These superbugs, resistant to multiple types of antibiotics, pose a significant threat to global health, and wastewater treatment plants are increasingly recognized as potential breeding grounds for their development and spread.
Antibiotics, while essential for treating bacterial infections, are often overused and misused. This overuse creates a selective pressure that favors the survival of resistant strains. Wastewater, often laden with antibiotics from human and animal waste, provides a perfect environment for resistant bacteria to thrive and exchange genetic material. The emergence of superbugs in wastewater is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of human health, animal health, and the environment. Addressing this growing problem requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing responsible antibiotic use, enhanced wastewater treatment technologies, and ongoing surveillance to track the emergence and spread of resistant strains.
Wastewater treatment plants employ a multi-stage process to remove contaminants and disinfect water before it is released back into the environment. This process typically involves physical, chemical, and biological treatments, each designed to target specific types of contaminants. However, some bacteria possess remarkable survival strategies, allowing them to evade these treatments and persist in treated wastewater. One key survival mechanism is the ability to form biofilms. These slimy layers, composed of bacteria encased in a self-produced matrix, adhere to surfaces within the treatment plant, providing a protective haven for bacteria to thrive. Another strategy employed by bacteria is the ability to enter a dormant state, often referred to as the viable but non-culturable or VBNC state. In this state, bacteria cease growth and metabolic activity, becoming undetectable by traditional culture-based methods. The ability of bacteria to outsmart treatment processes highlights the ongoing need for innovation and adaptation in wastewater management.
The presence of harmful bacteria in treated wastewater poses significant risks to human health. These risks can manifest through various pathways, including direct contact with contaminated water, consumption of contaminated food or water, and inhalation of aerosolized water droplets containing harmful bacteria. Direct contact with contaminated water, whether through recreational activities such as swimming or accidental exposure, can lead to skin infections, gastrointestinal illnesses, and other health problems. Children, the elderly, and individuals with weakened immune systems are particularly vulnerable to these infections. Consumption of contaminated food or water is another major route of exposure. Fruits and vegetables irrigated with treated wastewater can become contaminated, as can shellfish harvested from waters affected by wastewater discharge. Implementing stringent water quality standards, monitoring for the presence of harmful bacteria, and promoting public awareness about the risks associated with contaminated water are crucial steps in protecting human health.
The impact of contaminated wastewater extends beyond human health, posing significant risks to animal populations as well. The discharge of treated wastewater into rivers, lakes, and oceans can introduce harmful bacteria into aquatic ecosystems, affecting fish, wildlife, and the delicate balance of these environments. Fish and other aquatic organisms are susceptible to many of the same bacterial pathogens that affect humans. Exposure to contaminated water can lead to fish kills, reduced reproductive success, and increased susceptibility to other diseases. Furthermore, the use of treated wastewater for irrigation in agriculture can introduce harmful bacteria into the food chain. Grazing animals may ingest contaminated water or forage, leading to infections that can impact their health and productivity. By minimizing the discharge of harmful bacteria into the environment, we can protect animal populations and break the vicious cycle of contamination.
Addressing the challenge of harmful bacteria in wastewater requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses technological advancements, policy changes, and individual actions. By working together, we can reduce the risks associated with wastewater and create a safer, healthier future for all. One crucial step is to enhance wastewater treatment processes. This includes implementing advanced treatment technologies such as membrane filtration, ultraviolet disinfection, and ozone treatment, which are more effective at removing bacteria and other pathogens than traditional methods. Another important strategy is to improve monitoring and surveillance systems. By regularly testing treated wastewater for the presence of harmful bacteria, we can identify potential contamination events early on and take swift action to prevent the spread of disease. Reducing the use of antibiotics in human and animal healthcare is also essential for combating the rise of antibiotic resistance. Public education and awareness campaigns play a vital role in promoting responsible water use and hygiene practices.